Now question of the find the solution of the block, that is 4 kg block, and that is inclined plane, and that is fixed inclined plane, and that is 30 degree inclined plane angle is 30 degree, and that one is smooth surface. Okay, and here 40 Newton force in corresponding to inclined plane direction. So how can we determine a solution of that block? Simply, if you make free body diagram of that block is how much? mg down, work on downward. So m into g, mass is how much? 2, 4, and g is taken for simplicity point of view 10. Okay, so that is 14 Newton. Okay, we have taken, let here assume g this equal to 10 meter per second square. Otherwise you can take 9.8. For simplicity point of view we have taken, calculation is easy if we have taken 10. Otherwise mathematical calculation is very tough. Okay, using calci, then we got the final answer. Accurate answer. Okay, so first of all, if block is moving along that one, this direction, so possibility this block is moving along this direction or this direction, not moving along this direction. Okay, so all component are forces corresponding to in which direction are capital X axis or capital Y axis. So all component of forces along capital X axis or Y axis, and also Y axis. So this one is along not X axis, not Y axis, capital X axis or Y axis. So component of that one in this direction and this direction. Okay, this one is 30. If this one is 30, then what about that angle? Also 30. Why? Because this one is angle 90 degree, this one is 30. So what about that angle? 60 degree. And that line and that line are parallel, so that one is also 60. So and here 90 degree, so that one is 30 degree. Clear or not? Okay. After that, component of 40 Newton along this direction, that is how much? 40 cos 30 degree. Okay, and here 40 sin 30 degree. Clear? And normal component of the inclined plane on the 4 kg block in which direction? In this direction. Clear? And that one already given capital X axis and there is capital Y axis. So very clear. This block is not moving along this direction or this direction. So N1 is equal to 40 cos 30 degree, cos 37 degree. So N1 is also written as how much? 40 cos 30 degree, and cos 30 is how much? Root 3 by 2. So 40 into root 3 by 2. So that is 20 root 3 Newton. This is normal force by inclined plane on the block 4 kg. Okay. Now, but we have actually we are focused on what's the oscillation of the block. Okay. So if you see very carefully, that is 40 sin 37. So sin 30 degree. That value is how much? 40 into sin 37. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So that is 10 Newton. If you see very carefully, here 40 Newton, here 10 Newton. So that force is greater than 10 Newton. So if this block is moving in which direction? Upward. Okay, with oscillation A. So you can say that 40 minus 10, this is equal to mass into oscillation. Mass is 4 and to oscillation is A. So what about A? A is equal to 30 by 4. So that angle is 7.5 meter per second square. Clear? 7.5. Clear or not? 7.5 meter per second square in upward direction. So you can say the block is moving. Block is moving with acceleration 7.5 meter per second square in upward direction. In upward direction. Okay. In inclined plane. Clear? Make it.